Hi, my name is Michael Elmore, and we are hosting an open house for 6th grade, and we'll also host an open house for 7th and 8th next week. This year we're very excited because we're able to, in 6th grade, offer a double block math class, which will allow 6th grade students to have access to a lab every single day. That's an awesome moment for us to work on catching up students and any gaps that they may come to us with. Also, we have remodeled and moved around some rooms so that the band area, we're calling it the band wing now because Mr. Mitchell, who is replacing Mr. Rourke, who retired, that is a whole wing, and that whole room has been redone, and it's opened up quite a bit so we can take care of 35, 36 students that are in band. So that's wonderful. We have a new English teacher, Miss Gerhardt. We have a returning special ed teacher, Miss Macy. We're glad to have her. And Mr. Fisher left us for his hometown in Elizabethtown Independent Schools, but we have hired one of our own that came through Bluegrass, Mr. Jeff Morning. We're excited to have him. I encourage parents, anytime they have questions, any concerns, give us a call at the school. Email me. Our email addresses are on our website anytime. We'll be glad to talk with you.
My name is Mr. Mitchell, and I'm the band director here at Bluegrass Middle School. Hi, nice to meet you.
Stephanie, Charlie's mom.
All right, what do you play, Charlie?
Oboe.
Oboe? Awesome. You know you're going to play oboe already in 6th grade? A lot of people are scared of oboe. You know that?
I played oboe. So.
Oh, all right. So do you have an oboe?
He does.
Oh, that's fantastic. So you don't need to set up a rental or anything, which is great. Awesome. You excited for school to start? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Have you practiced any on your oboe?
Yes.
Yeah? How's it going? Good, good. The world needs more good oboe players. They're far and few between. Yeah, awesome. Nice to meet you. Did you all have any questions for me?
We don't.
Awesome. Cool. Well, I'm excited to get the year started. I hope you are too. So what we'll do is in 6th grade, we'll start with just learning the basics of the instrument, learning how to play. By the late fall, we'll have a concert scheduled. That'll be over at the PAC. We do 2 concerts a year. One's in the fall and the other one's in the spring. And we also go to an assessment in the spring where we get graded by some judges, and that's also in the PAC. So throughout the year, that's kind of some of the things we'll be working towards.
I'm Shauna Thompson, and this is my first year here at Bluegrass. I've been at Central Hardin High School for about 11 years. I'm the new PE teacher here, and I am very excited to be able to work with the middle school age level. I really enjoy all athletics and all sports, but I really want the kids to participate, so my focus is for them to get used to doing activity. They don't have to be super good at it, but I want them to be active, and so that way it'll carry over once they leave and once they go home. Instead of going home and sitting on computers and watching TV all day, they might get out again, and we might see a lot of good health benefits from that overall.
My name is Mr. Goodman. I'm the behavior specialist here at Bluegrass. I'm in my 3rd year. Tonight we're passing out schedules for open house. And if you have any schedule conflicts or change the address, call the school or ask for Miss Ash or Mr. Morning, and there are counselors and they'll take care of you.
These are your classes that you have, and they tell you what period, what the class is, the teacher's name, and the room number. And I think right now we're in 4th period that they make the announcement over the intercom, and you'll hear that. But before you go to any of these classes, I want you to go to the cafeteria. You know where that is?
No.
Okay, when you came in the front door, it would be right there to your right.
But yeah, no.
Okay, you know,
Sure.
I think you probably saw it.
Yeah.
So if you'll go in there, you can get your bus card that tells you what bus you'll ride and the time it comes and everything, okay? Mm-hmm. All right, you got it? Mm-hmm. All right, so don't forget your room numbers are there. The teachers will be there waiting for you. Okay, all right, see you.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Mr. Morning. I am the Youth Service Center Coordinator at Bluegrass Middle School. We're having our open house. It's great for the kids to come in and get their schedules, for the 6th graders to kind of get to meet their teachers, and for our older kids just to get back acclimated to the schools and see who's going to be teaching them this year. We have community providers in the cafeteria, some representatives from John Hardin Sports and from our own sports programs. It's a good, fun time.
How you doing? This is Jeffrey Earl Morning II, Bluegrass Middle School. I'm the new counselor. I'm excited about starting this year. I cannot wait to be a part of the Hardin County Schools. It has been awesome being here. I'm back, baby. Let's have a great year. Good evening.
I'm Chris Corder, Director of Transportation for Hardin County Schools. We're here tonight at Bluegrass Middle School for 6th grade opening house, helping parents find their students' busing information. You can always go online to the Hardin County website, click on bus routing information, and you're able to type your address in there, and it will give you your bus number and AM and pickup, AM and PM times for drop-off and pickup. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to give the transportation office a call at 270-769-8890.
Hi, I'm Coach Sammy Smith here at Bluegrass Middle School. I coach the football team. Right now I'm just setting up, talking to some of the kids coming by who are interested in football. If you are interested in football and you're coming to Bluegrass as a 6th grader or 7th grader or even 8th grader, it's never too late to sign up. All I need is a sports physical. All you need some cleats and you can come out and you can practice. Practice is very demanding. It's middle school, it gets a little tougher than your rec ball or little league. So as long as you're willing to work for me, I'll work for you and I'll get the best out of you and I'll give you my best. But also if you need to reach me or contact me about any information about Bluegrass Middle School football, you can call me at 270-823-4123. And you can also reach me at my email, and it's samuelsmith@hardin.kyschools.us. Any questions, you can see me. And also, I also teach here at the school in the special education department. So if you just want to pop by in the school, you can ask for me in the office, and I'll be happy to come down and talk to you.
Just letting you guys know, I'm Coach Vogel with the boys cross country team, and we're here doing sign-ups, trying to get you middle schoolers out here. We're trying to build a middle school team. We've got quite a few already, but the more the merrier. We want everybody we can have. We never turn anybody away. If you like running and you want to come out, just either shoot me an email at jvogel0007@gmail.com, and I'll send you one back and letting you know what our schedule's like.
My name's Kurt. I'm from Silkworm Custom Screen Printing. We're set up here at Bluegrass Middle School's open house. We do custom designs on the spot screen printing. They're able to pick the shirt they want. I print it for them. They take it with them. So they seem to be happy with that, and I like doing it. For more information, you can just call 270-351-3187. I'd be glad to help you. I appreciate it. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Angela Lewis, and this is Amanda Rowlett, and we are officers on the John Hardin Girls Soccer Boosters, and we are working at the Bluegrass Middle School open house just to try to recruit some girls in from the middle school who may not know about our marvelous soccer team. We have three coaches. Our head coach is Eric Kravitsky, and then 2 assistants, Daniel Ruiz and Andy Giles, all of whom are graduates of John Hardin and are very proud to be coaching back at their alma mater. We have a great girls team. We've started out our season well. We played in the Bluegrass State Games and we won 2 games and tied 1. So we are very excited about this season and hope that we'll have some middle school girls come out to join our JV team.
Hi, my name is Jeremy Hall. I'm the assistant baseball coach at John Hardin High School. I actually teach over at John Hardin. Baseball is one of the most enjoyable sports you could ever play. We got a flexible schedule. We got a really good team this year. We'd love for any 7th and 8th grader to come out, see what it's about. You can come out and watch a practice if you want to this fall. We practice every Tuesday and Thursday right after school in the fall. And if you're interested, just shoot us an email or just call the high school, ask for Jeremy Hall, and I'll get back with you.
I'm Natalie Miller. I'm with the Hardin County swim team. You can sign up either here or there will be flyers left at the front office. We also have Sharon Garcia at Hardin County, or hardin.kyschools.us if you want to email her.
I'm Lily. I'm one of the captains on the bowling team, and I've been bowling for 6-7 years.
I'm Coach Brown.
I'm Jessica. I've been on the team for 5 years now.
All right, bowling is one of those all-inclusive sports where we welcome everybody. Come and try out. Doesn't matter if you play soccer, basketball, doesn't matter if you do archery. Seasons don't overlap. We bowl from October until February. We take from 7th grade on up. Practice 2 nights a week, and the tournaments are all pretty much within an hour and a half range, that type of thing. Lots of scholarship money in bowling, and if you don't know how, don't worry, we will teach you. You can email myself, jenny.brown@hardin.kyschools.us, or the boys coach is Mike Moritz, and that's the same thing, mike.moritz@hardin.kyschools.us.
Hi, my name is Mike Moritz. I'm the John Hardin archery coach and the Bluegrass archery coach. The program itself is the National Archery Schools program, which is very specific about the type of equipment we can use and the type of training that we put each student through. One of the requirements that I have to do is I will shoot during the school day in the physical fitness or physical education program here, and hope to raise as much interest during that part as I would during even an event like this, where we're just here trying to get students interested. In order to join the team, what you need to do is, once we start practice about the end of September, 1st of October, there will be an announcement here at school. Our practices will be Tuesday and Wednesday evenings for about an hour to an hour and a half for middle schoolers, starting at 6:30 and go to 8 o'clock. That's probably the big stuff right there. Competitions will be every Saturday. We'll start our competition schedule in October. It's a real long season, though. It's probably the longest season of any sport in school. This year we ended up shooting at the national tournament in June. We shot, I said nationals in June. We shot nationals in May, world in June, state in April. So the season itself is very long. We'll shoot 6 tournaments prior to Christmas, and we'll shoot 10 tournaments after Christmas. Each tournament, sometime on that Saturday, we will shoot, and I'll get those flight times as we start to develop our schedule.
For more information, you can call Bluegrass Middle School at 270-765-2658.